guy could be worthwhile to you alive!
The owner of the Thick Chick Casino and one of the largest lobbyists for the League of Aligned Worlds, billionaire Chester McNevins, was found dead at Capella Station late last evening.
And
Yeesh,
we'll update you
poor
as soon as we know
bastard.
more. In other
Hey,
news,
it lives.
If
Good
you-
sleep.
All right, listen up! All sights on the idiot Sanchez! We know where they're headed. We'll just have to ambush him at Oberon!
Hey, I welcome anything that could liven up this 6-day-long babysit, amigo. Come here, you. I can't wait to be rid of this guy. I never want to hear no ever again.
The bucket will be a lot more quiet without him. I think I might even miss him.